guys, it's Kristina here, and I thought I would film a video where I show you a alt girl transformation. I stumbled upon a video. I'll leave the girl's name down on the screen and I'll link the video down below for you. I can't find it right now. My computer is currently not turning on for like 3 days now, so I have to go get it serviced soon if it doesn't turn on very soon. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. By the way, I'm clipping up my bang pieces because I don't want to get them in the way. I will link everything that I use down below for you, so if you guys decide to recreate this look, you can find the products down below. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. This is the finished look. You can add hearts underneath, but I'm not that great at it. So yeah, if you guys want to see any more videos like this, I will link my e-girls video down below and my alternative alter ego down below videos. And yeah, hope you guys like it. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below anything you guys want. It helps me out greatly. And I would really appreciate that. And make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know every time I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!